Introducing the AIFEN A902 Soldering Station, a powerful and versatile double station designed for precision soldering and cell phone PCB IC repair. This advanced station is compatible with C115, C210, and C245 soldering iron tips, providing flexibility for a range of electronic repair tasks. Key features: touch control functionality. The AIFEN A902 brings ease to soldering with its first touch control feature. Adjust settings and control the station with a simple touch, making it intuitive for professionals and beginners alike. Dual soldering station. Equipped with two soldering handles, this station allows users to switch between C115, C210, and C245 tips for detailed work on various components, including phone PCBs and IC repairs. High power and fast heating. With 120W maximum power, the AIFEN A902 ensures rapid heating, allowing for a faster workflow and precise temperature control ranging from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. PC connectivity. Observe and control your soldering tasks on a larger scale by connecting the station to your PC. The AIFEN A902 is compatible with Windows and Mac OS, making it convenient to view detailed work on larger screens. Durable build and long battery life. The built-in 3500 mAh rechargeable battery ensures prolonged use, while its sturdy design is ideal for both professional workshops and hobbyists. Versatile repair tool. Whether you're working on cell phone repairs, electronic PCB soldering, or any other intricate soldering tasks, the AIFEN A902's triple magnification camera, touch control, and adjustable settings make it a comprehensive solution. Enhance your soldering experience with the AIFEN A902, where innovation meets precision.